नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल आणि येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक इन युअर फेवरेट प्रोग्राम युवापंथी विथ सचिन सीझन 3 आणि सगळ्यात पयलीं दिवाळीची तुमकां सगळ्यांक हुनहुनीत परबी. ह्या दिवाळे कडेन तुमच्या आयुष्यात सुख समृद्धी येव अशी देवाच्या चरणी प्रार्थना. आणि आयचो प्रोग्राम सुरू करता आसतना परत एक फावट तुमकां सांगपाक सोदता, जर तुमचे कितें व्ह्यूज आसा, मेसेज आसा जाल्यार आमचे युवापंथी विथ सचिन फेसबुकाचेर ही पेज आसा, थंय चल आणि आमकां तूं मेसेज करपाक शकता. फकाव हो जो प्रँक सेगमेंट आसा ते तुमकां सगळे मोबायलाचेर तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटले. आमच्या व्हॉट्सॅप ग्रुपार, प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॅप ग्रुपाचेर जर तुमी आसा जाल्यार आमी एवरी सॅटर्डे रिलीज करता न्यू म्हणपाक शकना, ओल्ड प्रँक, बट जे आमी बेस्ट ऑफ युवापंथी प्रँक आशिल्ले ते फकाव ह्या नांवान रिलीज करता, ते पळयात. आणि ह्या विकाक आमी गेल्ले रोजरी कॉलेजीन आणि इतले बेस्ट आन्सर्स आमकां गावले. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. सो हे सगळे आन्सर्स आयकुपा खातीर फर्स्ट सेगमेंट पळोवया, जो क्वेश्चन आन्सर आसा इन रोजरी कॉलेज नावेली. युवापंथी विथ सचिन सीझन 3 अँड येस, रायट नाव आमी रोजरी कॉलेजीन आसा. थर्ड एपिसोड अँड खूब बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळटा, खूब बरे आन्सर्स आमकां मेळटा. बट रायट नाव आमच्या कडेन कांय चली आसा, तांकां आमी विचारुया. वॉट्स नेम?
Alba Miranda. Vinny Fernandez. Figal Pereira.
So I'll ask you some basic questions, and if you answer all 5 correct, I will give you a prize, okay? And only one rule, do not help your friend in answering the question, do not whisper, do not tell your friend the answer, do not prompt, okay? First question, okay? Who is the first president of India?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dude, no. I'm really bad at this. Jawaharlal Nehru. I'm clueless. I don't know.
Who is the first president of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru. B.R. Ambedkar.
And who was the first president of India?
Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Nehru. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Wrong answer. Okay. Tell me, who is the first president of India?
I'm not so sure about that.
But we can.
I don't know. Rabindranath Tagore. I don't know.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Rajendra Prasad.
First president of India?
Rajendra Prasad.
No. Jawaharlal Nehru.
Rajendra Prasad.
What's your name? Tell me, who was the first president of India?
I don't know.
Any guesses?
Abdul Kalam. Manmohan Singh.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
And president? Dhoni ki khud. Tell me, who is the first president of India?
Pranab Mukherjee.
President, I don't know.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who was the first president of India?
Dayanand Bandurkar.
Rajendra Prasad.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
I can describe person. He's like Jawaharlal Nehru.
The first president of India?
डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राजकृष्ण.
Tell me, who was the first president of India?
I don't know. I don't have any idea.
Who was the first president of India?
First? Oh my god. First president, no idea.
Okay, who is the president of India?
This name, man.
Current.
Name is complicated.
Govind Gowda.
Ramnath Govind.
First president of India?
President Rajendra Prasad.
The first president of India?
डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन. I don't know that one.
Who was the first president of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru. not sure. Indira Gandhi.
Abdul Kalam.
First president of India.
Pratibha Patil.
Who was the first president of India?
Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Rajendra Prasad.
Who was the first president of India?
First president. Krishna, Dr. Krishna.
First president of India?
Indira.
President of India. First president of India.
I don't know.
Any guess? Any guess?
Indira Gandhi.
Who was the first president of India?
APJ Abdul Kalam. Rajendra Prasad.
Some simple questions, simple answers. Okay. First question: who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Jawaharlal Nehru. I don't know.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the right answer. Okay. How many MLAs are there for Goa Legislative Assembly?
I have no idea.
22.
How many constituencies does Goa have?
49. 49.
Yeah, same here.
49.
49.
49 only, I guess.
49.
49.
How many constituencies are there in Goa?
Oh my goodness. I think around 16 or something. No, or 10. Yeah, no. Yeah, 1-6 I guess.
40.
Koyan, कितले constituencies are there?
12.
12 असतं 11.
40.
40 is the right answer. How many constituencies are there in Goa? 40.
40.
Yeah, 40. How many constituencies are there in Goa?
40. 15. 40.
17.
40 is the right answer, by the way. Coming down to Goa, how many constituencies does Goa have?
12 constituencies.
How many constituencies are there in Goa?
I don't know. I really don't know. 26?
100. 100. 40.
40 is the right answer. Thank you very much. Constituencies are there in Goa.
21. 21.
कितले constituencies are in Goa?
I think 3 or 4 something, I don't know.
How many constituencies does Goa have?
I have no idea, but I'll run, I don't want to. Constituency 2, I think.
Coming down to Goa, how many constituencies does Goa have?
Cities.
Constituencies. Matadar Sangha. How many constituencies does Goa have?
40.
Yes.
Is it 40?
40.
42 as of recent, I think. I guess 26.
26. How many constituencies does Goa have?
40.
40. आमच्या गोंयान कितले constituencies आसा?
27.
No. Coming down to Goa, how many constituencies does Goa have?
9. 8. 7 or 8.
40. How many constituencies does Goa have?
Constituencies?
Yeah.
No, we have talukas.
We have talukas and constituencies also.
Yeah? Then we don't know. 10, Mare?
Yeah, tell me.
10.
No, it's 40. How many constituencies does Goa have?
No. I don't know politics. No, I don't know. Constituents, I don't know.
40.
Who is the Chief Minister of Goa?
CM, this guy, what's his name, I do? No, he's not Digambar, okay? This guy, what's his name, man? Parikar guy. Digambar Manohar Parikar.
Who's the defense minister then?
The other guy is come in post right now. I mean, I don't know.
Who is the chief minister of Goa?
Okay, it's Parekar, Manohar Parekar.
Defense minister.
No idea. Manohar Parekar, right?
पार्सेकर का है पार्सेकर फॉलो
Manohar Parekar. Manohar Parekar.
Chief minister of Goa?
Abanna.
पर्यकर पर्यकर
Defense minister.
डिफेन्स हाल्नु हिल त गोया हिल्नु पारिकर हाल्नु ल आज त बुझ्नु हेर्नु सक्नु
Who is the chief minister for Goa?
Pasekar.
Parikar.
Manohar Parikar. Who is the CM of Goa?
Parikar.
Who is the defense minister then?
Parsekar.
Who is the CM of Goa?
Parikar.
Who is the chief minister of Goa? Wait, no one will tell. Chief minister of Goa, madam.
Manohar Parikar.
इन प्रोग्रेस
Not yet decided.
Chief minister of Goa.
Not yet decided. Yes. No. Not yet decided.
Any guesses?
Not yet decided yet.
The chief minister of Goa.
Manohar Parikar.
Yes, Manohar Parikar is the right answer. Who is the chief minister of Goa?
Wait, I know his name.
Pasekar. Same Pasekar.
Who is the chief minister of Goa?
Parikar.
Who is the chief minister of Goa?
Parsikar.
Manohar Parikar.
Who is the chief minister of Goa?
Manohar Parikar.
Manohar Parikar.
Huh? And who is the defense minister then?
I don't know.
I forgot.
Identify this person. I'll show you one picture.
I can't read.
Takre. Takre someone.
I don't know.
Okay, identify this person.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Yeah, Rajiv Gandhi, I think.
Rajiv Gandhi. Dr. Rajiv Kumar.
धीरूभाई अंबानी
Ambani. So identify this picture, okay? Who is this person?
Rajiv Gandhi.
सचिन कोण हबन्ना हबन्ना
Okay, who is this?
Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi. Yeah, Rajiv.
Identify this person, okay? I have one picture with me.
Rajiv Gandhi. Yeah, Rajiv Gandhi. I don't know.
एके गोतो कोणागे गोतो सोनिया गांधी गेलो तो बॉम्ब घाल मारलो तो कोण तो
I'll give you one more.
तो राजीव गांधी
Rajiv Gandhi.
Cool.
Sachin.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sulekha.
Sachin Tendulkar. Sure. It's my name. Sorry.
He's some father. I don't know who is he. Father or something. Yeah. He looks like. Don't know. Sawas.
Dhirubhai.
Ambani.
Ambaji. I don't know.
Okay. Identify this person, okay?
Awe. Auto kar rahe. Rajiv Gandhi.
Na. Oi, auto. Oi, totally to Gandhi. Somebody Gandhi. Auto Gandhi. Gandhi no Gandhi.
I don't know. I never.
राजीव गांधी
He looks like Arun Jaitley. Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi.
नो कैसे this what is the name man
got assassinated.
Yes.
Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi. Who was Rajiv Gandhi?
He was a prime minister who was killed in a bomb blast.
Yes. Okay, identify this person. Never seen.
Rajiv Gandhi.
I don't know. I have seen him.
Any guesses?
Sorry.
Any guess?
Nice.
Okay. Identify this person. Okay, I'll show you one picture, and you have to identify this person. Who is this person?
Rajiv Gandhi.
Any guesses?
Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi.
I'll show you one picture. Identify this picture. Okay. Who is he?
This is. No, I don't know, sir.
Any guess?
Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi. Yeah, Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi. He's
I can't get a name, yeah.
Kovind.
Kovind. Ever heard the name Rajiv Gandhi?
Yeah.
My God. एक म्हण तुमकां सांगता अर्दी सांगता कंप्लीट करपाक जाय ओके काम जालें
Who is Melo?
फोंडा गेलो.
वन करेक्ट ओके कोंकणी ओपारी म्हणी येता सगळ्यांक एक म्हण हांव सांगता ओके ती कंप्लीट करपाक जाय ओके काम जालें
I don't know. I don't speak Konkani.
काम झालं मागीर घरा या. काम झालं मागीर घरा या.
I don't know. काम जालें वॉइस मेलो. काम जालें वॉइस मेलो.
एक म्हण सांगतलो अर्दी ती कंप्लीट करपाक जाय ओके काम जालें
राम 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 राम
काम जालें म्हण कंप्लीट करपाक जाय ओपन म्हण रे कंप्लीट करपाक जाय काम जालें
सुसे गेलो. काम झालं न्हिदपाचें.
काम झालं वेज मेलो
काम जालें
काम झालं घरा वस
काम जालें
Voice Melo.
Voice mellow. I don't know Konkani. Voice mellow. I really don't know Konkani that much.
एक म्हण आसा ती पुराय करपाक जाय काम जालें
Voice mellow.
वाव हे तरी खबर आहा थँक्यू व्हेरी मच
Voice mellow.
Voice mellow. Voice mellow.
एक म्हण आसा कोंकणीतली ओपार जी कंप्लीट पुराय करपाक जाय ओके काम जालें
Voice mellow.
एक म्हण आसा पुराय करपाक जाय काम जालें
Voice mellow.
कोंकणीतली एक म्हण ओपार ती पुराय करपाक जाय ओके काम जालें काम जालें
काम जालें voice mellow.
एक म्हण आसा ती पुराय करपाक जाय ओके काम जालें
काम झालं.
काम झाले वॉइस मेलो
काम जालें वच मेलो काम जालें
Voice mellow.
काम जालें
Voice mellow.
द नॅशनल रिवर ऑफ इंडिया
National River of India, Ganga.
फायनान्स मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया करंट फायनान्स मिनिस्टर
Arun Jaitley.
who is the president of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
How many states does India have?
29th.
Which is the 29th state?
Latest is Telangana.
Telangana. How many union territories does India have?
7th.
युवा पंथी सीझन 3 आणि सीझन 3चो तिसरो एपिसोड इन रोजरी कॉलेज मडगांव हांगासर अँड वी हॅव गॉट अ फर्स्ट विनर आफ्टर अ लॉंग टायम कारण इतले जाणांक विचारले कोणीच करेक्ट आन्सर सगळे दिवना बट येस वी हॅव द विनर युअर नेम
My name is Kamsan Teron. कामसन
ओके कामसन, आपको मिलता है ये गिफ्ट हैम्पर बाय नेस्ले इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड स्पेशल एडिशन। और ये चॉकलेट जो है उसका जो डिज़ाइन किया है, जो देख रहे हैं आप, ये देख सकते हैं, बाय उत्तम कुमार, वो फूड आर्टिस्ट है और उनके लिए भी नेस्ले बहुत काम कर रहे हैं। सो दिस ये स्पेशल एडिशन फ्रॉम नेस्ले इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड आपके लिए, अ गिफ्ट हैम्पर बाय नेस्ले। First CM of Goa, Daman Diu.
Dayanand Bandukhe.
The operation which was launched to liberate Goa from Portuguese colony or Portuguese rule.
Operation Vijay.
Is what is the national river of India?
Ganga.
National song of India?
Vande Mataram.
You are Panthi with Sachin season 3 episode number 3 and second winner of this episode from Rosary College, Hysin. Congratulations! A special gift hamper chocolates for you from Nestle India Private Limited and special chocolate designed by Uttam Kumar, the food artist, because they always work for this type of artist, food artist and all. And the special edition chocolates from Nestle India Private Limited for you. Congratulations! You deserve it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, I'll ask you 3 more questions. You have to answer and you can get a prize, okay? Who is the current president of India?
रामनाथ कोविंद.
Okay. First chief minister of Goa, Daman Diu?
दयानंद बांदोडकर.
The last question. National song of India?
वंदे मातरम.
Puroti?
Okay. No. Kimchandra Chatterjee.
Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay. You are Panthi with Sachin season 3 and season 3 तो third winner, third episode आमकां गावलो आसा. Yes, your name?
रामजीत फळदेसाय.
Ramjit, congratulations. A special gift hamper by Nestle India Private Limited and specially designed by Uttam Kumar. He's a food artist आणि Nestle यांच्या खातीर खूप काम करता. First time त्यांच्यानी एक edition हाडलें. This is special edition by Nestle India Private Limited to you. Thank you very much and thank you and congratulations. Keep it up. Thank you. And after this question and answer round आम्ही वळूया आमच्या नेक्स्ट सेगमेंटाकडे, तो म्हळ्यार फकाव. फकाव म्हळ्यार प्रँक्स. आणि ह्या विकाचो प्रँक भरपूर सिंपल आशिल्लो, बट एक मेसेज दिवपाचो आमी प्रयत्न केला. दिवाळीचो टायम आसा, दिवाळे कडेन आमी सगळे जाण फोग लायता, पूण हो फोग कमी प्रमाणात लावपाक जाय, खूब कमी प्रमाणात. आणि जर लायना जाल्यार चड बरो. एअर पोल्युशन जाता तो खरेंच अस्थमा पेशंट जर आसा जाल्यार तांकां खूब माल पडपाक शकता. हो जो धुंवर ह्या फोगा खातीर जाता तो. सो फोग आमी कमी प्रमाणात लावपाक जाय. आयचो प्रँक, आयचो फकाव भरपूर सिंपल आसा. आमी बॉम्ब घेवन गेले आणि बॉम्ब पेटोवंक ना, बट पेटोवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो आणि जे रिएक्शन लोकांचे आशिल्ले ते खूप बरे आशिल्ले, जे सगळे तुमकां आतां पळोवपाक मेळटले. सो जस्ट चेक इट आउट अँड एन्जॉय द फकाव. Sorry, you're doing a prank and my cameraman is watching you from there. Thank you. अरे आम्ही प्रँक करतालो, आमचो कॅमेरामॅन तुमकां तेच्यान पळयता तेच्या तो पेटोवंक बीन काय ना. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. तुम्ही कॅमेरामॅनाक मातसो हात सुद्दां दाखयल्यार उपकारता आमचो कॅमेरामॅन. भागो पता नहीं. चलो आप फिर से ये करते थे, फिर से फोड़ते हैं. चलो आप भी फोड़ो यार, आप भी फोड़ो. कोई बात नहीं, हम टीवी चैनल से थे, हमारा प्रैंक कर रहे थे हम, शूट हमारा. वो देखो कैमरामैन वहां से आपको देख रहा है. भाग क्यों रहे? लगाया भी नहीं ना, ऐसे ही भाग रहे हो. लगाया भी नहीं अभी तक बम और भाग रहे हो क्यों? अच्छा सुना, मेरा हम टीवी के लिए प्रैंक शूट कर रहे थे. मेरा कैमरामैन आपको वहाँ से देख रहा है, वो देखो आप क्या करते थे वही देख रहा था. मेरा कैमरामैन वहाँ से आपको देख रहा है, वो देखो. कह दिया आपको शूट कर रहा था, आप क्या कर रहे थे. अच्छा 1 मिनट राहता. घे फुल आयला हातीन धरा. भिवू नका ओके. आम्ही टीव्ही चॅनलाचे झाले आम्ही प्रँक करताले आणि माझं बॉम्ब पेटोक ना तू भिवू नका. ते आमचा कॅमेरामॅन तुमका पळयता तो भोवतयल्या. तुमका याद उरतले.
I'm getting choco bar for you. Everybody choco bar.
Listen, come here. We were doing a prank and my cameraman is watching you from that car here. You missed it, bro.
YouTube channel or something.
No, it's from Prudent Media.
Where is the camera?
We have a Goan channel, and my cameraman is watching you from this car here. So just you can show your hands to him. Yeah. लागू ना. घे. हजर आमचा कॅमेरा जाता आम्ही प्रँक करताले. तू गिटार घेऊन धावू नका. एनिवेज थँक्यू. आम्ही एक प्रँक करतो आमचा कॅमेरामॅन तुमचा. Sorry for that. Please say hi to my cameraman. Happy Diwali, guys. Okay, by the way, this is a prank. We are doing a prank. My cameraman is watching you from there. Thank you very much. अँड आयचो फकाव अँड आयचो क्वेश्चन आन्सर राउंड आयचो प्रोग्राम तुमकां कसो कितें लागलो. जर तुका कितें सजेशन्स दिवपाक जाय, व्ह्यूज तुजे कितें आसा जाल्यार म्हाका नक्की कळय. फेसबूक आमची पेज आसा युवापंथी विथ सचिन, जी सकयल तुमी पळयतात त्या पेजीचेर चल अँड म्हाका मेसेज कर, ऑर एल्स म्हाका ईमेल करपाक शकता. आमची ईमेल आयडी आसा features@prudentmedia.in. अँड आमचे फकाव जे प्रँक आसा फकाव जे सगळे तुमकां शेनवारा एक पयलीं जे आमी प्रँक केले बेस्ट ऑफ युवापंथी प्रँक, बेस्ट ऑफ युवापंथी फकाव, हे सगळे तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटले जर तूं प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप ग्रुपाचेर आसा जाल्यार. अँड नक्की लायक कर, शेअर कर अँड एन्जॉय कर. अँड नेक्स्ट विकाक परत एक फावट मेळूया आमी इन न्यू कॉलेज आणि न्यू फकाव घेऊन. तोपर्यंत टाटा बाय बाय, सी यू, टेक केअर.
Gift sponsored by Nestle India Limited. This year, Nestle India has partnered with Indian mouth and food painting artists to celebrate the art of specially able artists who inspired the world with their unshakable spirit and their unique talent for painting with their mouth or feet. And Aquaspice.